Good morning. Welcome to Sigma IAS YouTube channel. Hello Dilesh, hello Peddabbai, Asha Jyoti. Good morning to everyone. Welcome to Sigma IAS. On April 24th of this month, April 24th of this month, I started the aptitude classes from Sigma IAS. And the classes will be up to April 24th of 2021. Okay. So, hello Devi, hello Nani. Good morning to everyone. Welcome to Sigma IAS. Hi Sai Raman. So today's topic is LCM and HCF. Already in last two classes, I explained about the LCM and HCF. Today also we'll discuss the remaining questions in LCM and HCF. So subscribe the Sigma IAS YouTube channel and follow the Ravipal Reddy classes. Now today is the third class in LCM and HCF. See your first question. In three traffic signals, the lights will change after every 72 seconds, 96 seconds, and 108 seconds, respectively. In three signals, the lights will change simultaneously at 8:20 a.m. Again, at what time in three signals the lights will change simultaneously? Yeah, Chimwalji, then there's no special class in Unacademy. Just to follow the Sigma IAS YouTube channel daily. I will take the aptitude and the reasoning classes in Sigma IAS YouTube channel only. Only in Sigma IAS YouTube channel daily morning 10 a.m. in English medium, 9 a.m. in Telugu medium, 9 a.m. Telugu medium. Okay, now I started the reasoning aptitude part. After completing of the aptitude, then I will start the reasoning also. Okay. Now see, here three signals are there. Three signals. In first signal, the lights will change after every 72 seconds. Second signal, 96 seconds, and third signal, 108 seconds respectively. In three signals, the lights will change simultaneously at 8:20. Again, at what time the lights will change simultaneously? First of all, after how many seconds? After how many seconds the lights will change simultaneously? Find the answer. So first to find the LCM of these three numbers. What is the LCM of these three numbers? 72, 96, 108. The LCM of these three numbers, all the numbers are exact divided by 12. 12 6 72, 12 8 96, 12 9 108. Then 6 and 8 are divisible by 2. 6 and 8 are divisible by 2. 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8. 9 is not divisible by 2. So write same as it is 9 only. Again 3 and 9 are divisible by, yeah, very good Dilesh. 3 and 9 are divisible by 3 and 9 are divisible by 3. So take 3. 3 1. 4 is not divisible by 3. Write 4 only. 3 3s. Now what is the LCM? What is the LCM of these three numbers? It is 12 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 4 into 3. 12 into 4 into 3, 12. 12 into 12, 144. 144. So 144 into 2 into 3, 6. So 144 into 6. 14 into 60, 840. 4 into 6, 24. 840 plus 24, 864. So in three signals, in three signals, the lights will change. In three signals, the lights will change after every 864 seconds. After every 864 seconds, the lights will change simultaneously. But question is, today morning at 8:20 the lights will change simultaneously. Again, at what time the lights will change simultaneously? So 8:20 after 8:64 seconds. 8:64 seconds means how many minutes? How many minutes? Convert to seconds to minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So 8:64 seconds, how many minutes? Divided by 60. 61 to 60. Yeah, remainder is 26. 264. 264. 64 to 240. So 14 minutes 24 seconds. So 864 seconds is equal to 14 minutes 24 seconds. Therefore, the lights will change after every 14 minutes 24 seconds respectively. So today morning 8:20 the lights were changed simultaneously. After at what time? 8:20 plus 0 hours 14 minutes 24 seconds. It is equal to 8:20 plus 14 34. So 8 hours 34 minutes 24 seconds. Again, at what time the lights will change simultaneously? 8:20 after 8:34. 8 hours 34 minutes 24 seconds. Again, the lights will change simultaneously. Okay, got it? Is it clear? Kalpana, Dilesh, is it clear? Now the next point, see here. Next point, for example, two numbers are there. Two numbers. Take any two numbers your choice. Take any two numbers your choice. Find the LCM of the two numbers. Find the LCM of the two numbers. Okay. The LCM and find the HCF of the two numbers also. Remember, the product of any two numbers is always equal to the product of its LCM and HCF. For example, let a comma b are any two natural numbers. Let a comma b are any two natural numbers. Let its LCM is capital L, HCF is capital H. LCM is capital L, HCF is capital H. Okay. So now the product of any two numbers a into b ab is equal to L into H L H. Remember, it is one of the important point in the LCM and HCF. So the product of any two numbers is always equal to the product of its LCM and HCF. Now see here the first question. Here the LCM of two numbers is 60 and its HCF is 10. The LCM of two numbers is 60 and its HCF is 10. One of the number is 20. One of the number, let first number is A, second number is B. Let first number is A, second number is B. If A is 20, what is the second number? What is the second number? You know the formula? The product of any two numbers is equal to the product of its LCM and HCF. What is A value? What is A value? 20. What is B value? Second number, we don't know. It is equal to L into H. L value 60, H value 10. Now 21 is 20, 23 is 60. Therefore, B is equal to, very good Nani, very good. 3 into 10 is 30. 3 into 10 is 30. Very good Sai Raman, your answer is right. So, first value, second number is 3 into 10 is 30. 3 into 10 is 30. And one good news for our students, Sigma ES students. Next week onwards, we are going to start history in Telugu medium only. Only in Telugu medium, we are going to start history subject in Telugu medium. When next week onwards, within a short time, I will give the schedule. I will put the schedule in our Telegram channel. If you are already joined in Telegram channel, okay. Otherwise, after complete the class, please download the Telegram app. Please download the Telegram app. Then after that, join in the Telegram link using this link t.me oblique Ravipal Reddy. Okay, RAVIPALREDDY. From this link you can join in this Telegram channel. So then you will get the total class details. Next week onwards, we'll start the history topic. History. Okay? But history in Telugu medium. Only in Telugu medium. Only in Telugu medium, not in English medium. And we have one WhatsApp group also. If you want to receive the WhatsApp messages, just send the message to 9491614131. Send the request message to this number, then I will add your number in the WhatsApp group also. Okay, now see next question. The ratio of first number and second number. First and second numbers is A is to B, and its HCF is H. Then the two numbers are HA and HB, and its LCM is HAB. So, for example, let two numbers are there. Let two numbers. First number is to second number. First number is to second number is let A is to B. Its ratio is A is to B. And for example, its HCF is H. Then what is the first number? First number is H into A. HA is first number, H into B, HB is second number. Now its LCM is equal to H into A into B. H into A into B. Okay. For example, you know LCM, you know two numbers. Then what is SCF? SCF is equal to LCM by AB. LCM by AB. Okay, now a small example. The ratio of two numbers. Two numbers are there in the ratio 4 is to 5. Two numbers are there in the ratio 4 is to 5. Its SCF is 6. Two numbers are there in the ratio 4 is to 5. Its SCF is 6. Then tell me the two numbers and its LCM. Tell me the two numbers and its LCM. The two numbers, first number is 6 into 4. Second number is 6 into 5. First number is 6 into 4. What is 6 into 4? 24. Second number 6 into 5, 30. What is the LCM of these three numbers? Its LCM is HAB. 6 into 4 into 5. It is equal to 120. Therefore, the LCM of 24 and 30 is 120. 120. Okay. Clear? Yeah, very good, very good, very good, very good. Next question on your screen. The sum of two numbers is 96 and its HCF is 12. How many pairs of numbers are there satisfying these two conditions? How many pairs of numbers are satisfying these two conditions? Okay, see here, two numbers are there. We don't know the two numbers. Its total is 96. The sum of the two numbers is 96. That sum of the two numbers is 96 and its HCF is 12. Find that then how many pairs of numbers are satisfying these two conditions? We don't know the two numbers. Let the ratio of the two numbers. Let the ratio of two numbers is to be. Then HCF is 12. Then what is the first number? Already I completed one formula. I covered one formula. If two numbers, the ratio of two numbers is to be, and its HCF is H. First number is H into A. First number is H into A. Second number is H into B. The two numbers are HA and HB. Two numbers are HA and HB. Okay. So now the HCF is 12. Its ratio A is to B. What is the first number? Yeah, very good, very good, Nani. Your answer is right. Very good. So first number 12 into A, 12A is the first number. Second number 12 into B, 12B is the second number. According to question, the sum of these two numbers is 96. So the sum of these two numbers is 96. Take 12 as common. 12 of A plus B is equal to 96. 12 ones, 12 eights. So what is A plus B? A plus B is equal to 8. A plus B is equal to 8. How many pairs of natural numbers are satisfying this condition? Okay. For example, if A value take 1, B value take 7, 1 plus 7 is 8. 1 plus 7 is 8. So 1 plus 7 is 8. This is one pair. Then what is the second pair? What is the second pair? If A value takes 2, B value 6. 2 plus 6 is 8, but don't take 2 and 6. Why? 2 and 6 are not co-prime numbers. 2 and 6 are not co-prime numbers. For example, let it is A, it is B, its ratio is 1 is to 7, HCF is 12, the first number is 12 into 1, 12, second number 12 into 7, 84, according to question the sum of these two numbers is 96, and its HCF is 12, it is one pair, and A value 2, B value 6, don't take this pair, because if you take A 2, B 6, if we take the A value 2, B value 6, so now tell me the numbers. 12 into 2, 24. 12 into 6, 72. What is 24 plus 72? 96. But its HCF is not 12. Both the numbers are exactly divisible by 24. 24 once 24, 24 3 74, 72. Therefore, the HCF of 24 and 72 is 24. That's why please don't take this pair. The reason, these two numbers are not co-prime numbers. So A and B should be co-prime number. So take 1 and 7, don't take 2 and 6. Then A value 3, B value 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. 3 plus 5 is 8, and 3 and 5 are co-prime numbers. So if A value 3, B value 5, 12 into 3, 36. 12 into 5, 60. What is the total? 96. What is the escape of these two numbers? 12. How many pairs of numbers are there? This is one pair. There is one pair, it is one pair. Total, only two pairs of numbers are there. So 1735. 4 plus 4 is 8, but 4 and 4 are not co-prime numbers. 5 plus 3 is 8. Already 3, 5 is there. Don't take the reverse order. Don't take 5, 3. Don't take 7, 1. So how many pairs of numbers? How many pairs of numbers are satisfying these two conditions? Only two pairs. Only two pairs. Don't take 4 and 4, Kalpana, because 4 and 4 are not co-prime numbers. Okay. If you take 4, if you take A value 4, B value 4, A value 4, B value 4, 12 into 4, 48. 12 into 4, 48. 48 into 48, total 96. 48 into 48, SCF is, SCF is not 12, SCF is 48. SCF is 48, don't take this one. So only two pairs of numbers are satisfying these two conditions. Okay. Next question on your screen, between 20 and 100. How many pairs of numbers are there? Whose HCF is 50. Between 20 and 100, how many pairs of numbers are there? Whose HCF is 15. Between 20 and 100, 20 is not there between 20 and 100. 100 is not there between 20 and 100. Between 20 and 100 means from 21 to 99. From 21 to 99, how many pairs of numbers are there? So, but condition, its HCF should be 15. So, 21, 21, its HCF is not 15. Sai Raman, repeat, sir, please. Which one? Previous question? Where is your doubt? Please tell me, Sai Ram. Sai Raman. HCF, HCF should be 12. Two numbers ratio A is to B. Okay. For example, the ratio of any two numbers is A is to B, and its HCF is H. The two numbers, first number is HA, second number is HB. Here we don't know the ratio. Let the ratio of two numbers is A is to B. Let the ratio of any two numbers is A is to B. Its HCF is 12. Therefore, the first number is 12 into A, 12A. Second number, 12 into B, 12B. So it is equal to 96. So now take 12 as common. 12 of A plus B, 96. Okay. And 12 8 is 96. Therefore, A plus B is equal to 8. A plus B is equal to 8. Then A and B should be co-prime numbers. So what is the, you want co-prime numbers? Okay, I will discuss. So now A value 1, B value 7. 1 plus 7 is 8. And don't take 2 and 6, because 2 and 6 are not co-prime numbers. Okay, and a value 3, b value 5, 3 plus 5 is 8. 3 and 5 are co-prime numbers, so that both the numbers should be co-prime numbers. 1 7 co-prime number, 3 5 also co-prime number. Now what is a co-prime number? What is a co-prime number? Okay, now I will explain about the co-prime numbers. See here, what is a co-prime number? So now the brief introduction on the co-prime numbers. What is a co-prime number? If except one, if there is no common factor for any two numbers, that pair is known as co-prime number. Once again, listen here. Except one, if there is no common factor for any two numbers, that pair is known as a co-prime number. Example, for example, take 5 and 7. Here 5 is prime number, 7 is also prime number. Take the 5 factors. 5 is exactly by 1 and 5. Now write 7 factors. 7 is divided by 1. 7 is also divided by 7. Each and every number has one common factor. That is 1. So now take 5 and 7. 1 is the common factor. Except 1, here there is no common factor. If except 1, if there is no common factor for any two numbers, why we are taking only co-prime numbers, sir? Okay. First listen here, co-prime numbers. So except 1, if there is no common factor, except 1, if there is no common factor, that pair is known as co-prime number. Here 5 and 7 are co-prime numbers. 5 and 7 are co-prime numbers because here there is no common factor. Now take any two prime numbers. Take any two prime numbers. Always that pair is co-prime number. And the second case, take 9, 9 and 11. 9 factors. 9 is not a prime number. 9 is a composite number. 11 is a prime number. So 9 factors. 9 is divided by 1. 9 is divided by 3. 9 is divided by 9. 11 is divided by 1. 11 is divided by 11. For 9 and 11, 1 is a common factor. Other than 1, there is no common factor. Therefore, this pair is also co-prime number. This pair is also co-prime number. And one more example, take 15. 15 is not prime number. 16 is also not a prime number. Here both 15 and 16 are not prime numbers. So, but this pair is a co-prime number. The reason is 15 factors. 15 is exactly by 1, 3, 5, 15. 15 factors are only 1, 3, 5, 15. 16 factors. 16 is by 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Now for 15 and 16, one is the common factor. One is the common factor for all the pairs, all the numbers. Here except one, there is no common factor. There is no common factor. Therefore, this pair is also known as a co-prime number. Okay, so co-prime number means take any two numbers except one if there is no common factor. That pair is known as a co-prime number. Okay, is it clear, Sai Raman? Then one more doubt, why we are taking only co-prime numbers? So now in previous example, question is the sum of two numbers should be 96. The sum of two numbers should be 96 and its SF is 12. SF is 12. So finally to a plus b is equal to a. If you take a value 1, b value 7, then two numbers are 12 into 1, 12, 12 into 7, 84. The sum of these two numbers is 96. 12 plus 84 is 96. 12 plus 84, 96. Then what is the HCF of 12 and 84? Both the numbers are divisible by 12. Okay, 12 is the HCF. And if you take 2 and 6, 2 plus 6 is also 8. A value 2, B value 6, 2 plus 6 is 8. Then two numbers will become 12 into 2, 24. 12 into 6, 72. 24 plus 72, 96. So 24 and 72 are satisfying this condition. The sum of the two numbers is 96. But its HCF is not 12. Why its HCF is not 12? What is the meaning of HCF? Highest common factor. 24 is the HCF of 24 and 72 because 24 is divisible by 24 72 is also divisible by 24. So if you take A value 2, B value 6, then its sum is 96, but its SCF is not 12. Its SCF is 24. And one more case, if A value take 4 and B value take 4. 4 is to 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. But 4 and 4 are not co-prime number. So that's why don't take. If you take 4, 12 into 4, 48. 12 into 4, 48. 48 plus 48 is 96. 48 plus 48, 96. But its SCF is not 12. Its SCF is not 12. Now, Sai Raman, is it clear? Okay. Sai Raman, tell me. Got it? Okay, now next question. Between 20 and 100, how many pairs of numbers are there? Whose HCF is 15? So, between 20 and 100 means from 21 to 99. 21 to 99, take 21 into 21. What is the SCF of 21 and 21? The SCF of 21 and 21 is not 15. 21 into 22 is not 15. 21, 23, 21, 24, 21, 25, 21, 26, up to 2199. Don't follow that method. That will take one day time. But the simple method is the HCF of two numbers is 15 means both the numbers are must and should be divisible by 15. Both the numbers should be divisible by 15. Now, first write the 15 multiplies between 20 and 100. Between 20 and 100, please tell me the 15 multiplies. 15 2 is 30, 15 3 is 45, 15 4 is 60, 15 5 is 75, 15 6 is 90, 15 7, so that is more than 100. 15 7 is 105, but 105 is not less than 100, that is more than 100. So between 20 and 100, total 15 multiplies are there: 30, 45, 60, 75, 90. Now compare these numbers only. First to take the 30, compare with other numbers 30 and 45. 30 and 45, what is the HCF? 30, 40, 45, 60, 75, 90. Yeah, very good, very good. Asha Jyoti, good. Now, 30 and 45, what is the HCF? 15. 30 and 45, both are divisible by 15. 30 and 45 are not divisible by any number more than 15. Already, I told one simple shortcut method how to find the HCF. Find the difference between these two numbers. That's maybe HCF. 45 and 30, difference is 15. 15 is a factor of both the numbers, therefore 15 is HCF. Now, 30 and 60. Don't take 30 and 60. Why? 30 and 60 both are divisible by 15, but its HCF is not 15. Why? 30 is divisible by 30, 60 is also divisible by 60. 30 is divisible by 30, 60 is also divisible by 30. So the HCF of 30 and 60 is 30. So don't take 30 and 60. Now next pair is 30 and 75. 30 and 75, the HCF of 30 and 75 is 15, because both the numbers 30 and 75 are divisible by 15, and these two numbers are not divisible by any other number more than 15. Next, 30 and 90. Don't take 30 and 90. Why? 30 and 90 both are divisible by 15, but the HCF of 30 and 90 is 30. Reason: 30 and 90 both the numbers are exactly divisible by 30. Therefore, the HCF of 30 and 90 is 30. Now, compare with the 45. 45 with other numbers. 45 60. 45 60 HCF is 15. 45 75 both are divisible by 15. These two numbers are not divisible by any other number more than 15. Therefore, 45 and 75 HCF is 15. And don't take 45 and 90. Don't take 45 and 90. Reason: 45 and 90 both are divisible by 15. Both are divisible by 15. But the HCF of 45 and 90 is 45. The HCF of 45 and 90 is 45. So don't take 45 and 90. Now compare with the 60. 60 75 HCF is 15. 60 75 HCF is 15. And don't take 60 and 90. Reason: 60 and 90, both the numbers are divisible by 30. 32 to 60, 33 to 90. So the HCF of 30 and 90 is 30, and the HCF of 60 and 90 is 30. Now one more pair 75, 90. Total 6 pairs of numbers are there. Total 6 pairs of numbers are there. These 6 pairs of numbers are satisfying these given conditions. The 6 pairs of numbers HCF is 15. These all the numbers are there between 20 and 100. Next question. The sum of two numbers is 216. Its HCF is 27. Then then how many pairs of numbers are satisfying satisfying these conditions? Satisfying these conditions. Sir, why 30, 60 don't take? Asha Jyoti, if you take 30 and 60, 30 and 60 SCF is not 15, its SCF is 30. What is SCF? What is the meaning of SCF? Both the numbers. What is the meaning of SCF? That is the highest common factor. What is the SCF of 30 and 60? 30, 60. 32 to 60, remainder 0. Therefore, SCF is 30. SCF is 30. But question is, SCF should be 15. Okay, Asha Jyoti, clear? The LCM is 30. Here they are not asking about the LCM here. LCM word is not there. LCM word is not there. Here only HCF. The numbers of LCM HCF should be 15. Dilesh, the LCM is 30, so we don't take. So the yeah. Okay. The sum of two numbers is 216. Its HCF is 27. How many pairs of numbers are satisfying these two conditions? Let the ratio of two numbers is A is to B. Its HCF is 27. Let the first number is 27A. 27 into A, 27A. Second number is 27 into B, 27B. The sum of these two numbers, according to the question, the sum of these two numbers is 216. Here 27 is common, take 27. 27 of A plus B. LCM 8. So 27. So 27 of A plus B is equal to 216. 27 1s 27, 27 8. So A plus B is equal to again 8. If A plus B equal to 8, same previous case. A value 1, B value 7, 1 plus 7, 8. A value 2, B value 6, but don't take 2 and 6 because 2 and 6 are not co-prime numbers. A value 3, B value 5, 3 plus 5 is 8. So now also only two pairs of numbers are satisfying these two conditions. Now next one. The LCM of two numbers is 125. The LCM of two numbers is 125. Which of the following number may not be its HCF? The LCM of two numbers is 125. Which of the following number may not be its HCF? Tell me the answer. Try it. The LCM of two numbers is 125. Which of the following number may not be its HCF? 5, 25, 50, 125. Tell me friends, what is your answer? Very good, very good, very good. Kalpana, your answer is right. Kalpana, your answer is right, 50. Because, very good, Nani, your answer is right. C is right answer. So, the HCF always should be factor of its LCM. HCF always should be factor of its LCM. The LCM of two numbers is 125. 5 is a factor of 125. 25 is a factor of 125. 125 is also a factor of 125. But 50 is not a factor of 125. 50 is not a factor of 125. Remember one point. The LCM is the HCF is always should be factor of LCM. Here 50 is not a factor of 125. Therefore, your answer is 50. Very good. Next one. The HCF of two numbers is 40. Which of the following number may not be its LCM? Tell me 20, 40, 80 to 40. The HCF of two numbers is 40. Which of the following number may not be its LCM? Present question. What is your answer? Kalpana, Nani, Sai Raman, Dilesh, Vijay, Manideep. Daily we have the YouTube aptitude class in Sigma IES at 10 a.m. English medium. Please inform to your friends also. Yeah, very good. 20 is right answer. 20. LCM is always should be multiplier of SCF. LCM is always should be multiplier of SCF. 40 multipliers. 40, 80, 240. These all are 40 multipliers, but 20 is not a 40 multiplier. So your answer is A. Your answer is A. And one more. LCM is always equal to SCF or more than SCF. LCM is always equal to SCF or more than SCF also. Okay. So good. Your answer is right. 20 is right answer. 20 is right answer. Now today I will discuss one Vedic tip. Daily we are discussing one Vedic tip of speed math technique. So now today's tip is, what is today's tip? Any number divided by. Today's Vedic tip is any number divided by 5 or 50 or 500 or 5000 or 5 after any number of zeros. Any number divided by 5 or 5 after any number of zeros. Okay, this is the today's tip. What is 20 by 5? Within 1 second you will get the answer, that is 4. What is 300 by 50? Maximum 1 or 2 seconds you will get the answer. 300 by 50 is 6. If the numerator is exactly divisible by denominator, that is very easy for you. But if the numerator is not divisible by denominator, how to find the answer? Today's tip is any number divided by 5 or 50 or 500. For example, 43 by 5. One more example, 31727856372 divided by, very good, already you got the first answer, division with 5. Already you completed the first question, very good. Now second question, very big number by 5 after so many zeros. And one more question, 2277549376 divided by 500000. And one more example. Here 4 examples are there. Yeah, very good. You completed the first question answer. Because that is very small number, 43 by 5. You completed. Your answer 8.6 is right answer. What about the second question, third question, and fourth question? See, with our Vedic method, you will get the answer within a short time. Condition, the denominator may be 5 or 5 after any number of zeros. What is the simple technique? Very simple. Double of the numerator. What is the double of 43? What is double of 43? 86. Double of 43 very easy, 86. Now, after that, count the number of digits in denominator. How many digits are there in denominator? Only one digit. So put a point after one digit from right side. 8.6 is right answer. Now second question, very biggest number divided by 5 after so many numbers are there. 5 after so many numbers are there. Then how to divide? Very simple. First to double of the numerator. Double means what is the meaning of double? Multiply with 2. Multiply with 2 also one simple technique is there. In next class I will discuss about the multiplication with 2. Next class I will discuss about multiplication with 2. Now see here. First to double of the numerator. What is the double of this number? 6, 3, 4, 5, 5, 7, 1, 2, 7, 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay, then after that, how many digits are there in denominator? 3, 6 plus 2, 8 digits. 8 digits are there. Put a point after 8 digits from right side. 3, 6. So your answer is 634.55712744 is right answer. Now one more question. Very biggest number by 5 after so many zeros. Double of the numerator. Double of the numerator. So see what is the double of the numerator? 4, 5, 5, again 5, 0, 9, 3, 7, 3, 2. Okay. So now denominator, how many digits are there? 9 digits are there. 9 digits. After 9 digits, put a point. After 9 digits, so your answer is 4.555098732. 4 point. Then finally one more question. 72 by 5 lakh. Double of 72 is 144. 144. Denominator, how many digits are there? 6 digits. Put a point after 6 digits. But here 6 digits are not there. Only 3 digits are there. So add zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, 72 by 5 lakh is equal to 0.000144. Okay. So this is your answer. Now see here, daily we have this. Daily we have free aptitude classes. Daily 9 a.m. Daily 9 a.m. aptitude class. Aptitude class in Telugu medium. Daily morning 10 a.m. aptitude class. Same class English medium. Daily 3:30. Daily 3:30 p.m. reasoning class in Telugu medium. First two classes in Sigma IS YouTube channel. Sigma IS YouTube channel. This one Sakshi Education YouTube channel. And within a short time we'll start the history in Telugu medium. History in Telugu medium. So history in Telugu medium. Next week we'll start the history also. And please forward this information to your friends. And please like this video and share to your friends. And previous classes or some classes are completed. The previous class links are available in the description. So thank you. Subscribe the Sigma IS YouTube channel. Follow the Ravipal Reddy classes. Then we'll meet tomorrow at same time.